The 2808R is a supplementary security collar for the PCS 9.2 and PCS 10.2 repair stands that prevent the yoke from sliding on the upright tube during heavy use or when using with heavy bikes. Begin by loosening the upright adjusting knob or quick release and pulling out the top tube. Loosen and remove the upright collar assembly. Slide on the 2808R security collar until it contacts the yoke. Tighten the collar handle. Install the upright collar assembly and secure it tightly against the lower upright. Install the top tube and secure with the quick release or adjusting knob. The stand is now ready to use.